And we have some great weather to get outside this weekend if you like today. A little bit of heat on the way though, and a few showers on the radar. We just had a quick shower move through Boca. That's now done. And a little line of rainfall working in around Lauderdale and Broward around the airport. Temperatures here are in the mid 70s, and we will cool off into the low 70s and 60s and even some 50s around the lake. Where patchy fog is a pretty good bet overnight, late overnight. We're not quite there yet, at least not at the airport, but we will see fog just before sunrise, and it shouldn't last long. Overnight lows, 62 in Belglade, high 60s to mid 70s from Jupiter down into Boca, around West Palm and to Boynton Beach, and on the Treasure Coast, 56 in Okeechobee, and it'll be 60s right down the coast in A1A and the beaches, and a little bit cooler just a few miles to the west around 95. Tomorrow morning looks great. A little fog, as I said, around the lake, otherwise mostly sunny. And there will be some, there's at least a slight shower chance early in the day along coastal Palm Beach County. There goes a shower there, and you can see a few more on Vipercast model. There's 11 a.m. So partly sunny, nice breeze coming in off the ocean. It's actually a little bit cooler along area beaches because the water temperatures are in the 70s and quite a bit warmer inland. Sunday, very similar weather pattern. Early morning fog around the lake, and then lots of sunshine and warm weather. High temperatures well above normal. Average high is 78. So we're running about 3 to 5 degrees roughly above normal for the next week. And long range computer models show there's no more cold fronts on the way for this month at least. And April's, that's a tough month to get any kind of significant cool air coming in. High pressure is the reason why. It's just sitting over the state through the weekend and most of next week. So all the cool air that tries to work in, it just gets stopped by this high, acts like a wall, and it just doesn't allow any cooler air. It has to weaken, and it does a little bit, but not enough to get a cool down here for the next few days, at least. Well, for at least the next week. Sees about 2 to 3 for boaters and a light chop. Looks good for beachgoers too. Wear that sunscreen. First alert forecast overnight 69, low 60s inland. And other than a spotty shower, a very quiet night. 83 tomorrow. That's what we hit this afternoon with mostly sunny sky and a light east wind. The 7-day forecast, warm weather, lots of 80s across the board right into late next week, starting to climb up into the mid and high 80s as we get into the final days of March and early April. So cool downs unlikely, warm weather, a pretty good bet.